then the last part is the use of airway adjuncts and tracheal intubation. We'll come to that later. So the patent airway doesn't ensure adequate ventilation. So there should be other areas like the central nervous system should be working properly. All those other problems also have to be solved. So if the child is not breathing, then you have to start artificial ventilation. Otherwise, if the child is breathing and airway is patent and child is breathing, you can give high flow oxygen, right? High flow oxygen has to be given with a non-breathing mask. Sorry, I couldn't bring the non-breathing mask today. We have it, no? We have it. So all of who have not seen non-breathing mask, non-rebreathing mask, all of you have seen, right? Okay. So it's a non-rebreathing mask has to be used, and you have to put the oxygen at maximum, right? If you put it at 15 liters with the rebreathing mask, then you will get some FiO2 close to about 85%. Okay, so FiO2 will be close to 85% if you use a mask 15 liters oxygen with a non-rebreathing mask, right? So children, all the children with difficulty in breathing or hypoxia, we have to use the mask with high oxygen. Nowadays, they are telling that if the saturation is okay, no need to give added oxygen, right? So a little bit of oxygen is enough, they are saying. But some guidelines are changing now, but we will stick to these old guidelines for the moment. So if there is inadequate effort is the rate, the recessions, the seesaw breathing. If the effort is inadequate, then you have to support with the baby, already breathing baby, you have to support with bag and mask or intubation and positive pressure ventilation. Okay, right. So if we then if we continue into A, B and C, we will look at the correcting the circulation. So you have to understand, even in circulation, if there is a circulatory failure, if the child is having septic shock, hypovolemic shock, diarrhea and dehydration, do you have to give oxygen or not? If the child is having diarrhea and dehydration, lungs are working perfectly, saturation is 100%, do you have to give oxygen or not? If a dengue shock per patient, right? And saturation normal, oxygen right? Oxygen. Dehydration, severe dehydration dengue shock septic shock saturation normal and so circulation poor, right? Circulation, lactic acid oxygen circulatory C laying oxygen circulation poor and intubate venous or intraosseous access saline bolus and urgent blood samples for VVG and blood glucose. So, airway breathing disability. Disability ABPU consider intubation. Right? You have to consider intubation. Only responding to pain or unresponsive, you have to consider intubation. Right? If there's hypoglycemia, when you are putting the cannula, if you check the blood sugar and hypoglycemia, then you have to give a bolus. So AME non-contribute hypoglycemia 50% dextrose. IV pediatrics, right? Pediatrics 2 ml per kilogram, 10% dextrose, right? 2 ml per kilogram, 10%. So 10 kilo baby and 20 ml of 10% dextrose. IV fluid லெட்ஸ் டோஸோட ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோம். சரி, அப்புறம் ஹைப்போகிளைசிமியா தான் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். சீஷர்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் அதை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண வேண்டிய சில பீரியடுக்கு மேனேஜ் ரேஸ்ட் இன்ட்ராக்ரேனியல் ப்ரெஷர், ரைட்? ரேஸ்ட் ஐசிபி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அது என்னோட சாப்டர் அப்புறம் பார்ப்போம், ரைட்? Okay, secondary assessment is the one that we will do after the primary assessment. Again, it is a brief history taking an examination, but we will go in detail. The child is stable. So once we did the primary assessment, we assume the child, we are making all the interventions to stabilize the child. We have done all the interventions to stabilize the child, and then we are going for the secondary assessment. Then we take a brief history. We do a repeat examination of the whole body, right? But quickly, right? So now we concentrate on the airway and breathing. So we have to recognize the respiratory failure. So impending respiratory failure. So respiratory failure இருக்கண்டா அல்லது respiratory failure வரப்போகுதுன்னா நான் கட்டாயம் airway secure பண்ணி அதுக்குரியதை செய்ய வேண்டும். So we have to find out when there is going to be respiratory failure. So if there